everyone, my name is Galaxii. I want to welcome all my friends to my new show called Little Nuggets. Let's go! Little Nuggets on cooking, it's my show. Little Nuggets on cooking, I should know. Little Nuggets on cooking, with mommy's help. Little Nuggets on cooking, it's good for your health. Little Nuggets on cooking, the food is great. Little Nuggets on cooking, come make your plate. Little Nuggets on cooking, we all should know. Little Nuggets on cooking, welcome to my show. Hi everybody, my name is Galaxii, and welcome to my show, Little Nuggets. We're going to be cooking lots of fun, easy recipes, and the best part is, they're quick, yummy, and all vegan. Sometimes my favorite people join me, with Mommy's help.
Hey, little chefs!
Let's see who today's guest is. Okay, you get 3 clues to guess who it is. She loves kids and books, she even writes them. She used to teach 1st and 2nd graders like me. And she helps kids learn about money, like to save and share.
Did I scare you?
Auntie Sarae!
Hi, Galaxii! Oh, we gonna cook some brownies today?
Yes!
Oh, I'm so excited! Hey, Galaxii, thank you so much for inviting me today. I could not miss the chance to bake something sweet and spooky with you.
You're welcome! Auntie Sarae writes books and helps kids learn about money.
That's right. And today, we're making brownies that are a treat and a good investment for your tummies.
Today we're going to be making Ghost Brownies!
They are spooky
Chocolatey.
and super fun to decorate.
Okay, but first, costume time!
Oh my god, you look so cute! I love it. Do a little swirl. Can I see it? Oh my gosh, and can you go like this? What is this? Go like that? Oh, amazing. Who are you?
I'm Galaxii, the Spider Princess of Yum.
And I'm Professor Fairy.
And I'm a moo cow.
The ingredients we'll need:
I'll help get the mixing bowl, whisk, and oven mittens.
And I'll help Galaxii measure and mash the bananas.
we're going to mix up the spooky batter. Just 5 ingredients. Fast and easy.
You know what else is magic? Counting ingredients like saving coins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Mix it tight.
Mix it right.
Spooky treats for our delight.
Little Nuggets, let's play a game.
You got 10 seconds to name fruits that are orange.
Go.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great job, everyone.
You nailed it. So we are using the Go Nanas premix for this recipe today. We are going to use 1 tablespoon of maple syrup. Then we'll do 2 tablespoons of oil. Next, we'll do 2 tablespoons of a plant-based milk of your choice. We're using cashew.
Now we're gonna add the batter. Let's mix, everyone. Work together.
Okay.
Now let's pour our mix into an 8x8 baking pan.
It's like putting your savings in the bank. You'll get a sweet reward later.
Little by little. Wait, a big brownie?
All right, our oven is preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. We'll bake these brownies for 35 minutes and then we'll check on that.
Perfect. This will be ready in 35 minutes. Now let's play a game while we wait. Let's play Boo or Brownie.
I'm gonna say a word. You're gonna shout boo if it's not vegan and brownie if it is. Are you ready?
Yes.
Butter,
Boo.
oat milk,
Brownie.
coconut oil,
Brownie.
gelatin.
Boo.
You're all smart shoppers.
Picking the good stuff every time. Let's make our smoothies. It's green, it's glowing, and it's 100% ghost approved.
So we've made our gooey green glow juice. Let's have a taste. Cheers. That's yummy.
It's yummy.
This is really good.
You should taste it. Come to Galaxie's show and have a taste.
They're ready. Let's see how they turned out.
Look at that. Baked brownies.
Look how perfect they turned out.
I'm going to place a marshmallow on the center of each brownie. Let's do it together. Wow, that was so much fun.
We made spooky brownies.
A glowing potion.
And we learned how to save for real and for our desserts. And remember, whether it's baking or budgeting, you can learn something new every day.
And always add love to every recipe. That's a secret ingredient.
Thanks for watching, Little Nuggets.
Don't forget to like.
Subscribe.
And tell us what you want us to cook next.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Little nuggets on cooking, it's my show. Little nuggets on cooking, I should know. Little nuggets on cooking, with mommy's help. Little nuggets on cooking, it's good.